Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and today I'm going to give you tips on keeping a great lawn in Florida. Now, before we get started, this video is completely shoppable. You can click that I at the top to get your shopping list. Okay, let's start off by seeing what kind of soil do you have. If you're like many people, well, you probably don't know the answer, and it's as easy as a soil test. Check your soil during each season and see how it's changing. From lack of phosphorus to nitrogen, you can find out what your lawn needs and get the appropriate fertilizer or soil improver to make it stronger. Now, anytime that sounds a little overwhelming, you can give your test results to your local Ace and they'll get the right products in your hand. Now, Florida is no stranger to ever-changing weather. Because of that, I can't stress enough the importance of a good lawnmower. You'll change from times of needing a much shorter cut to just a trim. Be aware of the amount of water your lawn is getting. Having a rain gauge can help you know when it's time to take watering into your own hands. In those rainier months, you'll want to cut back on watering your lawn. You see, too much water in a lawn can increase the likelihood of turf disease and insect infestation. During those drier periods, grab a few blades of grass and see if the lawn is wilting or shows signs of browning. The next key to a great Florida lawn is to know your grass type. When in doubt, take a few blades to your neighborhood Ace and a photo of your grass. From St. Augustine to Bermuda, knowing your lawn will help you treat it properly, whether it's fertilizing or adding grass seed. It's key that you give your lawn exactly what it wants. Treat your lawn for pests from fire ants to armyworms. These invaders can do damage to your turf. Most insect killers for lawns last about 90 days. Set reminders to stay on top of the treatment or you'll find costly lawn repairs in your future. And that's it. To shop these products and more, visit acehardware.com or better yet, stop by your neighborhood Ace Hardware store. Because Ace is the helpful place.